Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another video. This one is gonna be in English, so please bear with me. Without wasting much time, let's jump into the video. So Conor McGregor celebrated his birthday with another ding dong story. This time he is caught red-handed sending his nude pics to American rapper Azealia Banks. Oh my poor Conor! Another 4 out of 10 girl, and Conor McGregor is sending his dick pics to that rapper. So on birthday of Conor McGregor, Azealia Banks give him a shout out, basically wishing him a happy birthday with the pics that he sent her. So what was in the pics? There was Conor McGregor with nothing on his body other than weights. Yeah, he was lifting weight, but not with his hand, but with his little Irish bottle. He was lifting those weights. He sent these photos to that rapper. I think Conor McGregor, you deserve better. I don't know what's more wrong, lifting weight with his little banana or sending these pics to that kind of rapper. I don't know. In our India, we never heard any of her songs. I never did. Conor McGregor, in his iconic style, has threatened her just not to be rat, not to tell these things to anybody. And you know why? Because rats get caught. That's what Conor McGregor actually said, and we know this because she shared all those screenshots. And after that, what happened in the next morning when Conor woke up, he saw all the headlines. He just decided to delete all of them. And another time, Azealia Banks shared that too. I don't know anything about Conor McGregor. He is too mad. He's traveling here and there. He's fighting Mike Perry in bare knuckle. Then on the next day, somebody shares his pics, and with all these accolades, he wants to be an Irish president. That's too much. I don't know what Ireland is doing. They are doing good, I think. They are not choosing Conor McGregor, so I think they are doing very good. Also on his birthday, he gave his his girlfriend Dee Devlin, another woman. There is another woman. He has been caught again spending quality time with another woman. Yes, another 4 out of 10 in words of Uncle Chell. Photos have been circulating all over the internet that Conor McGregor is sitting with a woman, and they are in love. They are kissing each other. They are doing everything that two person in love or in affection do. But I'm not surprised, mother father. What happened is Conor McGregor has been seen with a fourth woman in past several months, cheating, basically cheating. In modern era, we call it open marriage. Actually, it's not even a marriage. He has a girlfriend with whom he have 4 or 5 children. I don't. Whenever I see Dee Devlin, she is always like a balloon. She is about to deliver something, and that's it. I think that's Conor McGregor's whole fundamentals. He is keeping only one lady for kids and others for everything that he is not doing with her or whatever extracurricular activity he want to do. Basically, Conor McGregor is doing everything with all other women, but he was supposed to do with the mother of his children. Speaking of that, his kid delivering machine Dee Devlin is again quite about it. Also, not to my surprise, when all these things came out, she shared lovey-dovey photos with Conor McGregor on her Instagram. She is maybe in love with this chaos. She is on 7th cloud. I don't know what she's having. I think Conor McGregor has surpassed everything that was expected out of him and that was expected out of his legacy. He had multiple cases of fidelity and a lot of other things. There has been court trials and a lot of photos. Basically, everything that a legend should not go through, Conor McGregor is doing all that. Basically, there is Indian stand-up comedian Samay Raina who once told that do not make any biopic on any hero that is alive because you should wait. They might end up fucking their own legacy by doing anything wrong. And Conor McGregor is the prime example of it. He had achieved almost everything in MMA that's possible. He got out of that way. He got a good business, good family, and he decided to do everything wrong that could be done, involving in a lot of drugs, fidelity, and wrong things, and doing everything to ruin his legacy. And by the everyday passing, I think he may have buried his legacy way back. At this point, people are taking McGregor as a mockery and shame instead of an athlete. Everybody is just interested to see what next wrong thing he gonna do. Nobody cares about what he had done in the past, and rightfully he deserves it. I think at this point, Conor McGregor is having a lot of money, a lot of drug, and he had lost touch with reality, what is going. But deep down, I feel sad for his girlfriend Dee Devlin. I think she is a victim, and she might be so much addicted to the lifestyle and everything that she's too afraid to come out as a victim, because with all the things that he had done, she is still in his favor from day one, and she's still standing. I don't know what's keeping her there. Maybe money, maybe kids. I don't know. Or maybe she is just addicted to this like Conor, and Batana once said cocaine isn't cheap. At this point, I don't even care whatever Conor McGregor do and whatever he wants to do. I tried English. It is definitely not good because English is my fourth language. Because I am from Haryana and I have never spoken English in my life. So please forgive me. I will see you soon with another video. If anybody is watching, please let me know. I should make it in Hindi or English. Please comment. Till then, chill then, tada bye bye, shabak khair. Take care, guys. Bye.